Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Finally, enter your current login method. Click on Delete button at the bottom right corner and tap on Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!